lets Nolita join him in Paraboy smuggling platinum. Zandile gets a warning that someone is out to kill her. Nandi catches Matshidiso in the act, busy begging umntanakhe wokubewikhaya. And Velaphi is being nursed by Siyamthanda. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. So Chuma finally decided that Nolita has proven herself. She can now join the team ukusmaklisha platinum. And Nolita is so happy because she's been wanting to be part of the team. But Chuma is like, let's make one thing clear. La emsebenzini, I'm your boss. You are not my wife. Akasajabulanga uNolita, but uParaboy is like, hayi lo msebenzi asiwona abafazi lo, but hayi uzoba right. And then uNolita noChuma, they go to church. Afike uChuma anikele a lot of money. And then Zandile gets a visit from the Sangoma. He just bashed into Zandile's room. Afike setshela Zandile ukuthi someone wants to kill her. Her life is in danger. They don't want to be led by a woman. It's taboo for umfati ukuba uthalide abuse. So uZandile nje impilo yakhe isenkingeni, yena nje utfume ngilaba phansi ukuthi batomonisha, batomtshela ukuthi khona umuntu lofuna ukumbulala. Someone is out for her blood, and this person is right under your nose. Lo muntu lo akekho ekugcini, umuntu lo la idvudane la, lo phila with you, right next to you. Yabona, this is clear ukuthi lesangoma sikhuluma ngavacu. And then uMamNomza goes to one Nandi ukuthi, hey, Matshidiso is busy begging umntwana wakho on the streets. Matshidiso, uNandi does not believe it, saying, how would Matshidiso do that? And uMamSonto is not happy because Matshidiso is a person ophuzayo, so why would uNandi leave her nomntwana? Matshidiso comes by to see uNandi and uBebikhaya, and she's got new earrings. uNandi is like, where did you buy these earrings? Nama would like the earrings. Ati uNandi, and then she lies saying that uthengwele ubulelani. Jiki uMatshidiso goes to catch Nandi. uMatshidiso umbambe right-handed esemgaqeni, sitting noBebikhaya, busy begging nomntwana. Angase disappointed uNandi, saying uyazi greedy Matshidiso, athi ungarasi phela abantu bangivideorize athi you are so greedy. Wenzani ingane yami? She lies saying that she needed food, she needed what, but nje uNandi was like, yazi now let's umntanami. She was so disappointed, sebhizi ecwelisa uMatshidiso ukuthi yezi ngiyacwelisa mlungu wami, ngiyacwelisa madam. uVelaphi Shem is training so hard. Jefta is very hard on him because he wants him to do well. And he admitted because he's the one that sent those guys to fight him because he wanted to see if uVelaphi was going to control his anger. But he failed the test. So you need to make sure so you don't let people get to you, or else you're not going to win the fight. uSiyamthanda is now supportive because nangi senesana noVelaphi amanceba. And uMamNomza ke went to ask uThenjiwe to speak to Velaphi because she's worried about him. And then Thenjiwe went to speak to Velaphi, saying, I don't want to watch you get beaten up like that. Velaphi was disappointed that but already you guys have decided to lose. This is so sad. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.